Let me show you how to use this mini display on your Ajazz AK820 Pro keyboard. So first, if you perhaps want to turn off this display, if you actually do not want, you simply press and hold your function key and the delete button. That actually will disable the functionality of the display. If you want to completely turn it off, you simply hold the function plus home. So you see it gets completely turned off. So again, if you want to bring it back, so again press that, and if you want to boot it up, function plus delete. So yeah, if you want temporarily, I guess simply like disable the screen, you can also do the function plus home here. So if you actually want to access the screen, as you see on the screen, we can see our battery level here, date and time. Also, if you are wondering how to set the date and time, you simply connect to your PC, download the Ajazz software, and basically it automatically will set the correct time and date for your keyboard. So again, you simply connect to your PC. I think if you also connected using the dongle, it automatically also might fetch the correct time from your computer without even installing the software. So simply try which works. So yeah, to enter the screen, you simply press and hold the function plus this button, the scroll wheel. It will blink like this. That means it has basically engaged the display, and then using the scroll wheel, as you see, you can simply scroll it to choose like different like section here. So you see, for example, we have effect, color, brightness, speed, volume, and language. Okay, so for example, to enter this menu, you would again simply click the scroll wheel here, and you see you can toggle basically the different light effects here on your keyboard. So you see we have yeah, like 19 effects here, or also you can turn it off as well if you want. To return to the main menu, again press it once more, and to, for example, accept this one, click here, and so you can also, for example, change the colors and of each style as well. And to return again, also we can adjust the brightness, for example. So you see, simply scroll like this and it adjusts the brightness of your keyboard. And to return again, simply press once more. Speed we can also adjust, like volume, and also we can even change language. So you see from Chinese to the English here as well. And to confirm again, simply press this one. So if you want to disengage this scroll wheel, so it actually returns to the volume adjustment. So again, you simply hold the function plus this one. You see it will blink. So that means it has disabled the scroll wheel for the, yeah, and then the scroll wheel works for the volume adjustment. Okay, good luck.